Good afternoon, everyone. I am Christine Joy G. Jacob, but you can call me Teacher Tin. Hello mga bata! Ready na ba kayo? But before that, we have a short review about Phylum Annelida. Who wants to enumerate the three class of Phylum Annelida? Okay, Jacqueline, please stand up. Okay, mahusay. Tama, ang tatlong klase nito ay Class Polychaeta, Class Olichaeta, at Class Herodina. At ang last ay Phylum Mollusca. Sino ang makakapagsabi sa akin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng mollies? Okay, Kate, please stand up. The Phylum Mollusca ay meron din tatlong klase, kagaya ng nauna. Ang una dito ay Class Bivalvia at Class Gastropoda at ang huli ay i-discuss ko pa lamang. Okay, class, we proceed to our discussion. The first topic is the class Cephalopoda. The meaning of cephalopoda is head and foot because their foot is directly attached to the head. They have 8 to 10 tentacles with suckers at the tips, which they use to catching their food or moving. Their shell has been reduced or its absence is most species. They are active animals and are known for having well-developed sense organ and a strong nervous system, which make them quick-moving and more intelligent compared to other mollusks. The example of this is octopus and squid. Phylum Arthropoda, coming from the Greek word arthron, which means joint, and podus, which means foot. All arthropods have many pairs of joint legs, or appendages, which used for eating, walking, reproduce, sensing, and defense. They are most successful members of the animal's kingdom. Their unique feature is the exoskeleton, a hard outer covering the body, made of chitin. To grow, to shed their skin, a process called molding. There are 5 classes of arthropods. The first one is class Insecta or insect. The largest group of arthropods are insect. They can be found everywhere. The body of an insect has 3 parts. The first one is the head. Second is thorax or the middle part or chest. The third part is abdomen. The back part or the stomach. The characteristic is they have 3 pairs of legs, 6 legs in total. Their body has 3 main parts, and they have 1 pair of antenna. The example of this is ant, beetle, lice, or fleas. The second class of arthropod is class Arachnida. Arachnids have 4 pairs of legs, 8 in total, and 2 body parts called cephalothorax and abdomen, and no antenna. For example, spider, scorpion, tick, and mites. And that's all my topic. I hope you learned something today. Bye!